Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Today we've got a holiday ham you will not believe. We're going to take a spiral cut ham. We're going to make a honey barbecue glazed ham. And oh my goodness, is this thing delicious. You will not believe how easy it is to do. So hang tight. Okay, so what we've got is about a 12-pound. This is a spiral cut ham. And you can see it's already cut, pretty much already cooked. What I'm going to do is I'm going to season it, warm it up in smoke, and glaze it. So just as a binder, this is a Dijon mustard. It's good with this ham, and it's sort of like glue. It'll bind that seasoning on it. And for seasoning, I'm sure you already know I'm going to use some form of it. To start with, the first layer I'm going to use, this is all-purpose seasoning. This is Uncle Steve's Lucky Shake. I really liked it. I used it on my turkey recently, and it was good. So I thought, shoot, I bet that'll go good with this ham too. All right, pat that in. The other one I'm going to use, I've been using for a long time. This is Uncle Steve's. This is the original, and this is good stuff. And I think it's going to give it some good color that we're looking for. And this again will be pre-glaze. All right, now I'm not gonna let this sit for a long time. I'm gonna go out and get the fire ready, and when I put it on, I'll bring you back. All right, well, we got a probe in the ham. Take the ham off the tray here. And let's put him down right there. Right there. All right. So we're up to temperature. You can see my wood is already smoldering just a little bit. I'm going to close him down about halfway to start with, and we're going to let him cook. And we're looking for about 130, 135 degrees, and then we're going to glaze it. So let's get some smoke on it and some temperature, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I've got half a stick of butter in this little pot. Everything's better with butter, right? All right, first of all, I'm going to let this melt down. All right, I've got half a cup of sugar. This is brown sugar. I'm going to stir it in with that butter. Okay. After over a year, Malcolm Reed has talked me into using his vinegar sauce. Now I want just a little bit of vinegar sauce in this glaze. You know how us Carolina boys like our vinegar. So I've got 1/4 cup that I'm going to stir in here into this. And I'm going to let this simmer for just a little bit. I don't want it to be too thick, too tart, but that should work. Oh, and you need to smell this. Oh, this is good. All right, I'm also going to add about a 1/4 cup of honey in this. Now, to me, this is a special honey. This is Live Oak Bee Farms honey. This is from Edisto. This is a guy I worked with for years who has bees, who gave me this to try, and man, is it good honey. Okay, well, we have reached the temperature we were looking for, which is 135. And so what we're going to do is we're going to start adding this glaze. And just pour some over the top. And it suits me if it gets down in between it. I don't care about just putting it just on the top. It can get in all the little cracks and crevices, and I guarantee you this is going to be some good stuff. I don't know whether you can really see this, how pretty this looks, but I'm going to tell you what, if I have to say so myself, this is gorgeous. This is going to be one. All right, I'm going to go to 140 on this. Now, that color was just what I was looking for. And again, remember, this was totally cooked, okay? I'm just warming it up with some smoke and getting it back up to temperature. So I'm going to close this back up. Be sure that's closed up good. And I'm going to let it go to the last 5 degrees, and when we take it off, I'll bring it back. Okay, well, we've hit that 140 temperature. Let's take a look at what we got here. Oh my goodness, is that gorgeous? Tell you. That glaze, oh, it's caramelized. Let's put him up here. Is that gorgeous or what? If I hadn't had gloves on, I'd be licking my fingers about now. All right, well, let's let him go in. We'll let it cool down just a little bit, and then we're gonna slice him up. And when I do, I'll bring you back. Okay, here it is. The fruits of our labor. Oh my goodness, is that not gorgeous? Oh me. All right, well, I tell you what, I'm just gonna reach in, and it is already sliced. I'm gonna pull a piece out. Look at that. Whew, hot. Well, there's nothing to do but try a bite. Oh my goodness. Is that delicious? That's just right. Now I'm gonna tell you, for a holiday ham, it's a home run. Oh my goodness. That's the way to do a spiral cut ham. I don't care what they put in the package. Thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, hit the circle on this side, subscribe, hit that like button. On this side, I'll have another video for you. Until next time, hang tight.